Bot Games is officially over. Hey, I want to do a quick video to announce the winners from our Bot Games Hackathon. The hackathon ended on the 31st of August, but we had our final round of judging this past Thursday. And so we're going to announce the winners right now. In first place was the Anytime, Anywhere electricity bill generator. This project did a great job of demonstrating how you could take a real world problem and put that together with technology to solve a solution in a real way. You take a picture of your electric meter, you submit that to the bot, and the bot is able to calculate what your bill is due. In second place, we had the Intelligent Process Automation Bot, or the IPA bot. This bot was end-to-end invoice processing, so a great solution for your accounts payable department to use. It also included the use of ARI for exception handling, so I thought that was a really unique solution. In third place, we had the Semiconductor Manufacturing Status Review Bot. The process of semiconductor manufacturing requires a lot of review by operational engineers who can identify if there are gaps in the process or inefficiencies. Using this bot, you can run a report, you can pull back all the details for your manufacturing and see what's going on with live status. Hey, if you want to see anything else about these presentations as well as other hackathon submissions, hit the link in our bio. We have links to all of the original submissions and you can read more details about each project. I'm Micah Smith. Go be great.